All right, today we're going to bring a milk frother. Now, this one is ready to go out of the box, but I would recommend you to rinse it before you use it. Now, easy to clean if you see in the bottom. There's nothing attached. You have to attach this little frother, which is, it comes with two of them for two different types of cycles, all right? So, another great thing about it is that it comes with the cap on. Now, when you wash it, make sure you remove the silicone, all right? This is a very easy to remove, but you got to make sure you put it back too so it will seal the actual top. Now, people forget to remove this, and this actually grows mold, so make sure you clean that first. This is not dishwashable, all right? So you got to do hand wash. Try not to wash the electronics in the bottom. It's basically just a base that sits in here and different kinds of molds, if you guys can see. Now it does from large to cold, but it mostly the three sections are actually hot. All right, so the push of a button, you control the sections. This is like the first one that I'm going to use, which has the highest rate of frother that you have to do. This is the cold one if you don't want to warm up your system. All right, so all you got to do is add your milk, put it on the base, push the button, the level that you want, and let it run. We have our coffee ready. We're going to get it ready with some milk. All right, there's a maximum and minimum. If you guys can see the line, minimum is way the bottom. In the top, there's a middle lane that says maximum, and then you want more for different kinds of sores. If you guys can see that, maximum line is way in the top. So today we're going to do over the minimum, near the maximum, and get it going. So let's go ahead and start. Great thing about this, it has a little handle. Most of them don't have this little handle. It's easy to take off. What I like to do is add my favorite creamer. So we're gonna add some creamer and fill it up almost to the past the minimum, if you guys can see that. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start pushing the button. So we want the largest frother that we can get. So we're gonna leave it as is, and it's hot, but we got different modes, if you guys can see that. And this is cold, it turns blue. That's the only one. So we're gonna do that one and let it run. So there it goes. All right, the system just beeped. It finished. If you guys can see, and it turns off by itself. So we got more than what we wanted, bargain, with a little bit of milk. It's a lot of foam. All right, morning coffee. Here we go. Beautiful.